substances can form hydrogen bond. Can form hydrogen bond. You can see CH3, C double bond O, OH is there, and one more. It is one hydrogen bond. It is another hydrogen bond. Two hydrogen bonds. In case of alcohols, only one hydrogen bond is there, but in carboxylic acid, two hydrogen bonds are there. Okay, so it is looking like dimerization also. Dimerization. Okay, so these are polar substances can form hydrogen bond. Second point, soluble in water. Soluble in water. Soluble in water due to hydrogen bond. Due to hydrogen bond, dimerize. It is important point. Dimerize. Soluble तो सबको पता ही होगा, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड can dissolve, but dimerize in benzene. In benzene solvent. This thing is important. It will come in the solution chapter also. In the solution chapter, colloidal properties. Okay. So if acetic acid is dissolved in the benzene, then what will happen? The number of particles will be less. Association हो रहा है, association. Okay. Next, boiling point. Boiling point. Boiling point generally directly proportional to intermolecular force. So till our discussions, alcohols are highest boiling points in the aromatic phenols, but alcohol say be more boiling point is there for carboxylic acids. So carboxylic acid are higher boiling point than alcohols. What about aldehyde and ketones? Obviously less. Only dipole-dipole attractions. Halogens less. Haloalkanes. Hydrocarbons सबसे least. Okay. Carboxylic acids are higher. You can write since strong intermolecular force, strong hydrogen bond. Strong hydrogen bond. Strong hydrogen bond. Here number of hydrogen bonds also increasing. You can write. Next, the melting point. Even number of carbon atom is higher than the odd number of carbon atoms. Even number of, is it visible? Even number of carbon atoms is higher than odd number of carbon atoms, carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. Similar observation we can see in the hydrocarbons also. Suppose butane and pentane is there. In the butane and pentane, butane has more than pentane. So see butane, it is the pentane. Butane has more, generally 4 carbon, 5 carbon. What we will expect, 5 carbon should be more, but butane has more than pentane. Okay. So why the repulsions here? The bigger groups are opposite. Here also same carboxylic acids are there. These carboxylic acids. Okay. So opposite direction is there. Proper arrangement is there. Proper arrangement. COOH groups, COOH groups, and COOH groups. Okay, the bulky groups, there is no proper arrangement, means in between the molecules gap is more. There is no close packing. There is no close packing. That's why less melting point. Less melting point. Here more melting point. Yeah, high melting points. Next, acidic strength. Acidic strength. The symbol Ka. Right. Acidic strength Ka is directly proportional to minus mesomeric effect and minus inductive effect. Minus mesomeric effect and minus inductive effect. And one more note point here. In benzoic acid, in benzoic acid, in benzoic acid, always ortho benzoic acid, ortho benzoic acid Ka means acidic strength is more than other irrespective of nature of the substance, nature of the substance, nature of the substance, nature of the substance, nature of the substance means nature of the substance or substitution, nature of the substitution. ब्रैकेट में माइनस इंडक्टिव या प्लस और माइनस इंडक्टिव या प्लस और माइनस मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट. Are you understood the statement? In benzoic acid, always orthobenzoic acid acidic strength is more than other irrespective of nature of the substitution. That means benzoic acid, methyl, benzoic acid meta position में methyl, then benzoic acid para position में methyl. Now which one is more? Obviously this one is higher. What I am writing? Ka I am writing. Ka I am writing. Okay. What about this one? ये दोनों में. Now these two you have to decide by this one. Ka is directly proportional to minus a and minus n. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? Inversely proportional to plus m and plus I. Here this plus m group is there at para position. Here it is acting as plus m. Here it is acting as only plus I. Here plus I and plus m दोनों. Meta position always there is no mesomeric effect. कभी भी मेटा पोजीशन में mesomeric effect नहीं होगा. There is no mesomeric effect at meta position, right? So donating जाना हो रहा है. When it is donating, Ka value will be less. When plus M group is increasing, Ka value is less. So our answer is like this. Understood? See, NO2 group. Now what you will think? Among these three, first of all, you have to tick ortho is more. First of all, either this group, methyl group, donating group, or receiving group, that is not important. Ortho substitution is there means more. Okay, right? It is more. Now you have to decide in between these two. In these two, NO2 group is this NO2 group is minus inductive. Here NO2 group is minus inductive minus mesomeric effect. Minus mesomeric effect. See, when minus mesomeric effect is there, acidic strength is increasing. So obviously इसको ज़्यादा होगा. So now order is like this. Understood? These 2 points. Next, benzoic acid acidic strength is very important. Okay, see, I am telling you here always ortho is more. Why? That effect is known as SIR effect. SIR, steric inhibition in resonance. Steric inhibition in resonance. SIR effect. Due to SIR effect, you can write one statement. Due to SIR effect. Due to SIR effect. SIR मतलब steric inhibition in resonance. Due to steric inhibition in resonance. SIR effect, ortho always more acidic than other. Okay, right. Next, one more example here. Ortho position OH, meta position OH, para position OH. Right. Now Ka. Ortho position, meta position and para position, right? Which is more? Obviously now no need to think much. Ortho position is more. Okay, so ortho is more. Now you have to decide para and meta. See, para, this one is plus mesomeric group. Plus mesomeric group, it is acting as minus inductive group. Meta position, it never show mesomeric effect, only more electronegative atom now, that's why minus inductive group, right? So कुछ तो खींच रहे हैं, minus inductive means more K. So now it is meta then para. OMT. Now A, B, C. What is the Ka? What is the Ka? See here, B and C may clear cut we can decide. B and C may. C the best one. C is more. Okay, C is more than B. Itna to clear. Here 3 chlorines are there, only here 1 fluorine is there. Obviously A is more. So like this you have to give the answer. Why? Here chlorine is minus inductive groups. Minus inductive. How many are there? 3. Here only 1 minus inductive. Here only one minus inductive. In between B and C, electron negativity is the factor to decide. More electronegative atom is receiving more. Okay, so you may ask, sir, why? Once we can see how to, what is the actually reason? See here, CH2 chlorine, C double bond O minus. I written conjugate base. Here also same, CH2 fluorine, C double bond O minus. Conjugate base. दोनों conjugate base हैं, right? Now, which O minus is more stable? देखो, here also C double bond O, here also C double bond O. CH2, CH2. These two things are not decided. Okay. Now, the deciding factor is fluorine and chlorine. Now, negative charge, when it will be stable? Whenever electron withdrawing groups are there, the negative charge is stable. Now, here fluorine withdrawing electron, here chlorine withdrawing electron, which can withdrawing more efficiently? More electronegative atom fluorine. So, it can pulling more. So, stability, what is the factor to decide stability? Stability always neutral is more stable. Okay, so this minus is going back. Here also minus going back, but efficiency, where it is more? Here. That's why this is more stable, more stable, more stable conjugate base, more stable conjugate base, more stable conjugate base forming by losing one H plus. So the tendency of donating H plus is very fast, more efficient. Finally, acidic strength is more for C, in between B and C. But here 3 chlorines are there, वो तो सबसे highest. Acidic strength A, B, C, which has more acidic strength? CAB, ABC, ABC or CAB? ABC भी नहीं है, CAB भी नहीं है. A, C, B. See, in generally, aromatic carboxylic acids Ka is more than aliphatic. ये तो statement था. लेकिन exceptionally formic acid is more acidic than benzoic acid. Exception for this statement exception. Acid के लिए exception नहीं है, statement के लिए exception. Formic acid is higher than benzoic acid. Formic acid is higher than benzoic acid. Why? See here, in the formic acid, in the formates, donating group कुछ नहीं है. But in the benzoic acid, resonance is there, so it can donate little bit it can donate. Okay, so comparatively formic acid, so here electron donating capacity is there, little bit. Okay, that's why formic acid से थोड़ा कम है. Okay, in acetic acid तो completely plus inductive group. Here benzene is there, benzene actually minus inductive group, plus में isomeric little bit, because C double bond O minus. If you give plus remaining carbon O minus, this is also O minus. Okay, here double bond. Okay, like this. So this structure, resonance structure is not much stable. Okay, it is one possibility is there. Okay, but it won't form. Okay, here more charges. कभी भी structure में least charge होना चाहिए in the resonance structures. Okay, if it is neutral, perfect. Okay, so charge particle ज़्यादा है इधर, so it is less stable. Here electron deficient is there, then two negative charges adjacent, so that is unstable. लेकिन एक possibility तो है. Okay, little bit donating. Acidic strength कभी भी directly proportional to minus inductive and minus mesomeric. इसमें तो in formic acid there is no minus, there is no plus. ठीक है. Here minus inductive is there, but it is showing plus mesomeric also. Okay, what about CH3? CH3 100% perfect donating group. Either plus I नहीं तो प्लस नहीं मतलब हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन इज सिमिलर टू मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट, वो भी प्लस. देयर इज नो माइनस हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन ऑलवेज प्लस ओनली. ओके, हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन इज नथिंग बट प्लस मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट. इज नथिंग बट, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट. ओके, हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन मतलब होता है अल्फा हाइड्रोजन सिग्मा बॉन्ड इज शिफ्टिंग. ओके, सो फाइनली डोनेटिंग कोई भी नेगेटिव नहीं. हियर इन द बेंजीन कुछ तो नेगेटिव है. when negative is there obviously more. So final conclusion is aromatic carboxylic acid acidic strength is higher than aliphatic, right? Here exception, formic acid is higher than benzoic acid. Got it? Alcohols higher than phenols. फिनॉल्स में नाइट्रोफिनॉल्स, उसके बाद एलिफैटिक कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स, Ca carboxylic acids, then aromatic carboxylic acids. Second, RCOOH is higher than PHOH, बीच में water, then ROH, alcohols will come, then alcohol से less, alkynes, C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH. देखो टर्मिनल में CH होना चाहिए, then only acidic. बीच में somewhere triple bond is there, it won't be. Then amines, suppose alkene is there, इसके बाद alkene CH double bond CH. Then suppose amine is there, NH2. Amines generally base, so obviously last two. Chemical properties, chemical reactions. Number 1, reactions due to cleavage of OH bond. Reactions due to cleavage of OH bond, मतलब ऑक्सीजन एंड हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. OH bond of an acid. First in this reaction 1. Reaction with sodium, I am taking it as A. Reaction with metals, highly reactive metal, generally sodium. So RCOOH, reaction with sodium. It is producing hydrogen gas. Na is there, hydrogen को replace कर. Then RCOO, Na plus, carboxylic acid minus. Then hydrogen gas. It is liberating hydrogen gas. Then, if you take other metals, RCOOH plus calcium, if you take calcium, your calcium oxide, calcium, your calcium oxide, your calcium carbonate, okay, all these are giving RCOO taken twice, Ca. Okay. Next, one more reaction. RCOOH plus methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide. What it is? Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent के साथ कोई भी एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन है, then it is forming simply methane is formed. Methane. Okay. What is the byproduct? RCOO minus MgBr plus. Okay, these two cases only. एक तो metal, दूसरा Grignard reagent. Next, reactions involving cleavage of OH group. Reactions due to cleavage of, I am taking CH3, CH2OH. Okay. See here, this lone pair acting as nucleophile. Okay. So finally, RC double bond O. This O and ethyl group, OCH2CH3. OCH2CH3. This is from alcohol. It is from alcohol. Okay. So simply this OH left, RO joined. Okay. Sometimes it is asking O18. Now where is that O18? Here or outside? In the water, H2O. Here O18. Outside, left. The carboxylic acid, OH group, left as a water molecule with alcohol. Right. Carboxylic acid reaction with PCl5, PCl3, SOCl2. Your reagents already came in the alcohol chapter. In the alcohol chapters, in the PCl3 there will be 2 chlorines it will give, right? So C double bond O, PCl5, PCl3, SOCl2. The common thing is replaces OH from alcohol as well from the carboxylic acids, RCOCl. So byproduct is two chlorines left, so POCl3 बनेगा. In case of PCl3, same product, R C double bond O Cl. This each chlorine, all three chlorines are equal. That's why OH and chlorine exchange. POH taken thrice. Don't think it is base, it is acid. It is nothing but H3PO3. H3PO3, right. SOCl2, same thing. R C double bond O Cl. एक Cl तो गया. SO and oxygen, SO2 plus one chlorine and one hydrogen, HCl. The advantage is here. HCl is the gas at room temperature, SO2 also gas at room temperature. So there is no byproduct in the container. Okay. So in all these cases, little bit acidic nature is there. That's why we are taking pyridine in the solvent. Pyridine. क्या होता है pyridine? Benzene type structure. नीचे nitrogen. Is it visible? Nitrogen. This pyridine is neutralizing these acids. Okay. Otherwise, what will happen? Equilibrium reaction is forming. Le-Chatelier principle. So whatever acid is forming, that acid is taken by this base forming salt. Acidic strength में one point you need to write Ka value. If you have space there, you can write. Otherwise, you can continue this. Ka value. Oxalic acid is higher than malonic acid. ये dicarboxylic acid का I skipped that. Oxalic acid, malonic acid, then succinic acid. Oh my, such good. Glutaric acid. Glutaric acid. Then adipic acid. Oxalic acid, malonic acid. When the long chain is increasing, okay, the acidic strength is decreasing. And one more. COOH. Already I given you in the nomenclature time. Malic acid is higher than fumaric acid. Okay. ये important है. एक बार these two questions came in the PYQs. They asked in the PYQs. These two questions are there. Next, formation of ester तो हो गया. Formation of acid chloride over. Now formation of amide and anhydrides. ठीक है. amide formation of amide H and H2. See, in the carbonyl compounds, aldehyde and ketones, whenever NH2 is there, H2 and oxygen, we removed H2O simply. Now, here OH is there, H is there, now you need to remove H2O like this. In the aldehyde and ketones, these two hydrogens and that oxygen, or carbonyl oxygen. Abhi, this OH and hydrogen replace R C double bond O and H2 amide. Already one substitution is there. Then hydrogen will be say R dash. So you can take methylamide. R C double bond O and one hydrogen as it is. One hydrogen as it is, then one CH2. Then formation of anhydride. Formation of anhydride. Anhydride meaning, what is the meaning of anhydride? Removal of water molecule. Removal of water molecule. So, कोई dehydrating agent you can take, generally heat P2O5, P2O5, comma heat. Phosphorus pentoxide. Then what will happen? Here, one more molecule is there. C double bond O, OH, carboxylic acid. From these two molecules, removing one water molecule. Then it is forming R C double bond O down R C double bond O. In between C double bond O and C double bond O, just one oxygen is there, that is sharing like this. It is anhydride. What is removing? Water molecule left. Okay, time exactly over. But two more named reactions are there. Okay. Monday we can complete it.